The struggle to get your kids to brush their teeth, boy, that can be a rough one, as any parent knows. But dentists say the special flavors and gimmicks you see in children's toothpaste could actually be causing a different set of problems. For Fox 12, Sabrina Silva shares some tips to keep their smiles clean and healthy.
As kids return to school, chances are they'll be brushing their teeth a few more times during the day. But how safe is their toothpaste? Dentist Dr. Flora says not so much.
If a child swallows a fourth of a tube that has bubble gum flavor or anything really candy flavored, they are absolutely in severe danger, and it can be lethal, leading to death.
Okay, chances are your child won't be swallowing a fourth of a tube of a toothpaste under your watch, but Dr. Stay says the warnings go beyond that.
There are websites that recommend that children that that are autistic that be really careful as far as what products they use, especially if they contain dyes and SLS and gluten and a lot of other additives, because it can, again, exacerbate their symptoms.
Right now, oral health products currently don't have to get approved by the FDA. That's why Dr. Stay is urging people, especially parents, to pay attention to the ingredients.
But in general, they can put whatever they want on the label, or they can add things to the product and not even put it on the label. So that's even more alarming. That's why you want to find a brand that you really trust.
Boy, good advice. All right, it is 5:56.